Happy birthday, pare. More birthday to come. To 100 years.
Yes, 100 years.
Sabi ni Mami, copy-paste na daw po.
Si Roy. Happy birthday, Roy. Naalala ko nung maliliit tayo sa Nikos mo. Paborito nating laro doon, sundot goma. Bubuhusan natin ng buhangin, susundutin yung goma. Tapos nag-uulit tayo na nakahubo. Kaya hindi natin nakalain, abutin natin yung edad na ito. Kaya Roy, happy birthday, more birthday to come.
Roy, Yama! Happy birthday! Ano masasabi ko sa'yo? Tagal ng pagkakakilala natin. Dito rin. Magkahiwalay man tayo. Ng mga ilang panahon. Magkikita pa. Happy birthday! Love you!
Roy, happy birthday! Magkapit bahay tayo sa... Wag na, matanda na tayo. Ako si Morley Estabilio. Last time ko nakita si Roy 50 years ago, when I was still at the Philippine Air Force General Hospital, sundalo pa siya. Ngayon, nakita ko sa Facebook yung Royal Pion, and I remember our father, both of our fathers are at the Air Force also, the skydiving group of 505 Air Rescue Squadron. So yun, since then, nagkaroon kami ng connection, and we are always reminiscing the time na yung mga tatay namin na nag-skydiving, nagpa-parachute during the old Nichols Air Base. Yun lang. And Roy has been a very good friend for us and the family. Happy birthday, Roy.
Hi Lolo, happy birthday. Thank you so much because without you and Mommy Tessie, our life in the US wouldn't be possible. So, thank you. Love you.
Dito po, dito. Sino po gusto?
My favorite pinsan na pogi. Namiss kita sa tagal. Happy birthday, ano